Near you.
Spot. Jen, I think. Tweed. Hi, Tweed. Hi. Here's Eve. You're beating up on Lil, I think. Hi, Tweed. Say hi, Leslie. I want to come home with you. Spot. There's Lynn in the tunnel. Oh, Tweed just went in the tunnel. Lil and Jen. Lynn. Eve. Tweedle. There's Eve and Lil going at it. Alrighty then. Eve has a bit of a Napoleonic complex. Apparently she thinks because she's little doesn't mean that she can't beat the snot out of everybody. There's Lynn. Jen. Tweed, who wants out. Hi, Tweed. Lil. Even Lynn. Ouch. Tweed, who wants out. Are you spoiled, Tweed? Here, Jen and Sweet. Jen. Here's Eve. Oh! Ooh. Like I said, Eve's kind of got a butt-kicking attitude lately. Watch it, Lil. There's Jen. Whoa! Lynn. Clinky. Hi, Clink. Hi. Good girl. Eve. Spot. Hi, Spotty, Spotty. Oh, there's Lil. Aunt Shelly, they like the tunnel. They really like the tunnel. Oh my. I don't know who that is. We can't get in the tunnel all the time though because they what you doing, Tweed? Because they tear it to pieces. They chew on it all the time. So we only give it to them. I don't know who that was. We only give it to them. Ooh, there's Tweed and Spot. Ooh, Spot, don't push on him. They only get it so that they won't just beat the living snot out of it all the time. And it kind of keeps it novel and new for them. There's Lynn and Lil beating on Lynn. Eve is somewhere. I actually have no idea. I'm guessing she's probably somewhere in the tunnel. Uh-oh, we're gonna have a little fight here. That's probably who they're after. Oh wait, no, Eve's over here. Eve's chewing on the tunnel, okay. Eve's gonna beat the crap out of Tweed. Like the sassy group of puppies we have. There's Tweedle. Tweedle's going in the hole. Hi, Tweed! Lynn has a hold of the little toy ball thing. Lynn and Jen. That's Eve. He's chewing on a bone. There's Spot. There's Lil. And Sweep. Sweep likes to play in the tunnel. He likes to stay in there. An ambush. That's Lil and Sweep. Here's Even. Even. Spot. Lynn and Jen. And Tweed in the middle there. Spot. I would think by now, if you're a puppy buyer, you probably already know who everybody is, but just in case you don't. This Lynn. Here's Eve, tugging. And then, well, there's Gator and Zip playing. Spot. Tweedle. Whoa! You alright, Spot?